we've made improvements now in our helical approach inside Profile. If I were to go and open up the option of Helical, we now have the option of Data. In Data, we can either have a helical cut from the top to the bottom or from the bottom to the top. Let's first do it from the top to the bottom. I'll click on OK, and if I run my simulation, you'll see that the toolpath actually starts from the top going down to the bottom. Now if I want, I can actually change that. Go into Data, click from bottom to the top, click on OK, and now when I run my simulation, you'll see that this time the tool will go from the bottom and work its way up to the top. We also have the option when doing the helical that if we want to have a flat step at the bottom, we can actually click on create a flat step. If not, just get rid of the check mark over there and it will not create a flat step at the bottom.